This video tutorial I will explain count, average and sum functions. Here you can see the syntax of count function. Select count, then we have to specify the column name from table name and where condition. The count function returns the number of rows that matches the specified criteria and null values are not counted. We will see one example. Here you can see the employee table. It has 6 records. I want to count how many IDs are there in the employee table. Then I can use this query, select count, then specify the column name from employee table. And I got 6. Suppose I want to get count of IDs where country is India. Then I can use this query, select count ID from employee where country equal to India. There are 2 IDs are there, so we will get count as 2. Here you can see the syntax of average function. Select average, then we have to specify the column name from table name and where condition. Average function returns the average value of the numeric column. We will see one example. Suppose I want to calculate average salary of all the employees, then I can use this query. Select average, then salary column from employee. And here I got the average salary. Suppose I want to get average salary of employees who are residing in USA, then I can use this query. Select average salary from employee where country equal to USA. And here I got the average salary. Here you can see the syntax of sum function. Select sum, then we have to specify the column name from table name and where condition. The sum function returns total sum of a numeric column. We will see the example. Suppose I want to get sum of all the employees' salary, then I can use this query. Select sum and column name is salary from employee. And here I got the total sum. Suppose I want to get employees total salary who are residing in India. Then I can use this query. Select sum salary from employee where country equal to India. And here I got the total salary. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.